The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special
Militer
military
Rusia
operation in
memperbarui
Ukraine.
informasi operasi militer khusus di Ukraina dalam 24 jam terakhir, tanggal 31 Juli. Juru bicara militer Rusia Letnan Jenderal Igor Konasenkov merilis serangan Angkatan Udara Rusia mengakibatkan kehancuran hingga 100 nasionalis dan 25 peralatan militer di dekat Potemkino, Belogorka di wilayah Kherson dan Belaya Krinitsa di wilayah Nikolaev. 4 depot amunisi di dekat Murahovka di wilayah Nikolaev, Serebrianka di Republik Rakyat Donetsk, Ziv di wilayah Kharkov dan kota Nikolaev juga dihancurkan. Howitzer M777 buatan AS juga dihancurkan di dekat Novopavlovka di Republik Rakyat Donetsk, serta peluncur roket multi-peluncuran uragan dan kendaraan pengangkut dan pemuat, kata Letjen Igor Konasenkov dikutip Tribun Timur hari ini. Secara total, 261 pesawat Ukraina dan 145 helikopter, 1.649 kendaraan udara tak berawak dieliminir sejak awal operasi tanggal 24 Februari lalu. Juga 361 sistem rudal anti-pesawat, 4.195 tank dan kendaraan tempur lapis baja lainnya, 773 sistem peluncuran roket ganda, 3.220 artileri dan mortir lapangan, serta 4.619 unit khusus kendaraan militer dihancurkan selama operasi, kata Letjen Igor. Dari kubu Kyiv, Kementerian Pertahanan Ukraina merilis 160 prajurit Rusia tewas dalam sehari. Total 40.830 tentara Federasi Rusia meninggal sejak awal konflik hingga hari ke-158. Panglima Angkatan Bersenjata Ukraina Jenderal Valery Zaluzny mempublikasikan rekaman roket jarak menengah MLRS M777 dari Inggris diturunkan ke medan tempur menggempur militer Rusia. MLRS dari London ini melengkapi roket HIMARS dari Amerika Serikat. Presiden Ukraina Volodymyr Zelensky berjanji mengusir penjajah Rusia.
The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in Ukraine. High-precision air-based weapons have struck at temporary deployment points of units of the 72nd Mechanized Brigade of Ukrainian Armed Forces near Kodema in Donetsk People's Republic. Up to 50 soldiers, 2 Stab-B howitzers, and 10 pieces of military equipment have been destroyed. High-precision weapons of the Russian aerospace forces have hit temporary deployment point of Kraken nationalist formation on the territory of Morozov Mechanical Technical School in Kharkov. As a result of the strike, the enemy suffered up to 350 casualties. Also, 11 units of military equipment were destroyed. Operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery strikes continue against military facilities in Ukraine. 13 command posts, including those of the 95th Airborne Assault Brigade near Mayorsk in Donetsk People's Republic, as well as 227 areas of enemy's manpower and military equipment concentration have been hit. Russian aerospace forces strikes have resulted in the destruction of up to 100 nationalists and 25 pieces of military equipment near Potemkino, Belogorka in Kherson region and Belaya Krinitsa in Nikolaev region. 4 ammunition depots near Murahovka in Nikolaev region, Serebrianka in Donetsk People's Republic, Zmiev in Kharkov region and Nikolaev city have also been destroyed. The US-made M777 howitzer has been destroyed as part of a counter-battery warfare near Novopavlovka in Donetsk People's Republic, as well as Uragan multiple launch rocket launcher and transloader vehicle. 9 platoons of Grad MLRS, 4 artillery platoons of Getsin B guns, 5 artillery platoons of D-30 guns at firing positions have been suppressed near Veselaya, Zaitsevo, Zvanovka, Razdolovka, Novgorodskoye, Dzержинsk, Orlovka and Kurakhova in Donetsk People's Republic. Russian air defense means have shot down 5 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles near Ternovaya, Pryship, Semenovka, Yakovenkovo and Petropavlovka in Kharkov region. In addition, 11 shells of a multiple launch rocket system have been intercepted in the air over Dolginkoye and Sinichenko in Kharkov region, Chernobyevka in Kherson region, Novoivanovka, Alchevsk in Lugansk People's Republic, Makeivka and Mospino in Donetsk People's Republic. In total, 261 Ukrainian airplanes and 145 helicopters helicopters, 1,649, unmanned aerial vehicles, 361, anti-aircraft missile systems, 4,195, tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 773, multiple launch rocket systems, 3,220, field artillery and motors, as well as 4,619 units of special military vehicles were destroyed during the operation.